Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's see how we can include or exclude data in our visual. So first, let's create a start column chart, and then we'll drag country and document axis. We'll drag category document legend, sales amount document values. So category here we have accessories, bikes and clothing. And let's assume we don't want to analyze, we don't want to see bikes in our visual. So before that, let me just try to add in the values for rather the data labels. So I'll click on the data labels. So let's assume we want to analyze our visual, but we don't want to see the values for the bikes. We only want to see the values for accessories and clothing. So I will control click on the columns for bikes, only the columns for the bikes. Then I will right click and exclude. So now you can see we only have rather our visual is only having the data values for accessories and clothing, and this is what we wanted. And then if you want to go back, you just come into the filter spin, and then down here you can click on this cross sign to remove the filter. So now we are back to our initial visual with all the categories. And then now let's assume now we don't want to see our data for bikes. Rather, we don't want to see the data for accessories and clothing, and we only want to analyze the data for the bikes. So what we do here, we'll just click on the columns for the bikes, and then right click on any of the highlighted other selected columns, and then click include. So now we can only see the data values for the bikes only as a category. So this is how to use include and exclude when you want to analyze your data, but you don't need some data values for some category. So I hope ladies and gentlemen, you understood, and let's meet again in the next video.